Hi guys, welcome back to Kannada Kalita Idini. I hope you are picking up small words and it is helping you to day activities. So today's few words are Hegidira. So that means you are asking someone how are you. So if you are asking your friend or very close person without that you can ask, that is Hegidiya, you can ask. And again, few words. How do means yes, illa means no. Okay, so if somebody asks you uta aita, so uta is meal, so it could be lunch or it could be dinner. So uta aita means you had your lunch or dinner depending on the time. And to reply that, you can say, if you already had meal, then you can say haudu aitu. Okay, so if you are saying haudu aitu means yes, I had. And if you want to say agilla, then you can say no, or so that is like illa athwa. If you want to say not yet, then you can say innu illa. Okay, and if you want to ask them back, then you can say nimdu uta aita. So that means you had dinner, so that is called as nimdu uta aita. And in Kannada, there is, as I earlier said, no difference between dinner and there are no different names for dinner and lunch. So just we say uta. Uta means it's a meal. And for breakfast, we say tindi, or in simple, even in some places they say tiffin aita, tindi aita. So tindi is a name given to snacks or light food, and even breakfast also we say tindi aita. So what are the new words we are learning today? Tindi is breakfast, uta is meal, hegidira means how are you, hegidiya means like you're talking to your friend or someone who is younger to you. So that is you can say hegidiya. Okay, and haudu is yes, illa is no, innu illa is not yet. Okay, so that's for today. Thank you.